Modi-led Indian government continuing to suppress the Kashmiris' just struggle by banning the pro-freedom parties in occupied Kashmir has outlawed two more organizations, Jammu and Kashmir People's Freedom League and Jammu and Kashmir People's League, as well as extending the ban on Jammu and Kashmir Liberation Front for another 5 years. According to Kashmir Media Service, JKLF headed by the jail leader Mohammad Yasin Malik was first banned in March 2019. Modi-led Indian government, continuing its policy of victimizing the Kashmiris, has sacked yet another government employee in occupied Kashmir. According to Kashmir Media Service, the terminated employee Manzoor Ahmad Lave, a resident of the Kulgam district, was working in the education department. A protest was held in the Ganderbal district against the anti-people policies of the authorities. According to Kashmir Media Service, the residents in the district voicing their frustration over sudden surge in the monthly electricity tariffs staged the protest against the Power Development Department authorities. Indian National Congress chapter in occupied Kashmir has said that the New Delhi installed administration in the territory has failed on all fronts and the people have been left to fend for themselves. According to Kashmir Media Service, the Congress chapter Vice President Yashpal Kundal, addressing a public meeting in the Samba, said the Lieutenant Governor Manoj Sinha-led regime has proved to be an utter failure. Expanding Modi's settler colonial project in the occupied Kashmir by grabbing more and more land and resources from the Kashmir, the government of India's Maharashtra state has purchased a plot in the territory for constructing the Maharashtra Bhavan house there. According to Kashmir Media Service, the plot measuring 2.5 acres was acquired in the Ichgam area of the Badgam district. Incarcerated senior leader of the All Parties Hurriyat Conference and chairman of Democratic Freedom Party, Shabir Ahmad Shah, has praised the grit and determination shown by the Kashmiris in the ongoing struggle against the Indian occupation and tyranny. According to Kashmir Media Service, Shabir Ahmad Shah, in his message from the infamous Tihar jail in New Delhi, said that the Kashmiris have been enduring the Indian atrocities with courage for a long time.